was very, very simple. The only thing I really used was the sculpting gel. What I did first, before palm rolling it, I put a small dot of cuticle oil in my palm to avoid it sticking because the warmth from your fingers touching it is going to make it really sticky, and you're going to start to see that as I'm working with it, that it starts to adhere to my skin, but putting cuticle oil prevents that. I just put my first line how I want it, and as I lay it down, I just pat it onto the nail. That way the entire line is sticking, like the backside is sticking to the acrylic, because when you first place it, it's just like the middle. So tapping it into place is going to make sure it stays on for a whole 4 weeks. And at the end of the nail, I just wipe it straight. That way I get like a flush side that I know is going to stick to the side of the nail. And again, I'm just cleaning up. Obviously, like I have this little string that I don't want. Anything you leave on the nail is going to cure in place. So before you cure it, just really make sure that you're getting it exactly how you want it to look before you paint or before you cure it. Curing this, I do cure for 99 seconds just to make sure it sticks. Now that I'm doing this two-tone, I'm going to go in with my first color and I'm going to color the line I place and underneath and on top. I'm doing this because I want the black to be just solid and the white to look like it's on top of the black. So taking the nail and turning it and really painting all angles of the line, but not painting the acrylic nail. What I am doing here is making a really obvious line of where I'm going to leave blank just because I am working with white. I don't want the black to show through. So I'm going to leave this space here for the next piece of sculpting gel I'm going to put that right where the black stops, and then I'm going to paint white. I'm doing this, like I said, because I don't want any black to be peeking through underneath white. We all know that white is a pretty transparent color, and the colors you put underneath sometimes do show through. When I am going in, I really am globbing this paint in between the area where the sculpting gel is laying on the acrylic. You do that because it's going to look like a really big gap. So always try to like look at it as like I need to fill this space with polish because it's going to look like a ledge if you don't. And I'm gonna show you guys like this is really just me globbing it in between that space, and you can see the difference that makes as it looking a little bit more seamless and put together. your top coat does go on, and to get those nooks and crannies, you do have to have a lot of top coat in between every line that you have. You just want to make sure you're having top coat because, when you don't top coat polish, you get a lot of lint and stickiness to it. So that's why I'm putting so much gel polish on. And I do kind of wipe a little bit away, but for the most part, it is going to be pretty thick. Because I am able to put so much top coat on, I am able to just pick up my beads. These are flat back pearls basically, but they're just gold. And the ones that are be going, excuse me, the ones that are going to be going in the nook and cranny are going to be sitting in a puddle of top coat. That's why I'm not really putting rhinestone glue or anything, because I know there's so much product right there, they're going to stay regardless. And because I know I have so much product, I'm going to be curing for 99 seconds, and then this is going to be my end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.